zile jina za kukongo Landa kuza tusisila banguta Landa zile jina za kukongo Landa kuza tusisila banguta Geleke kondolo ngindu keti kwe ukwenda Ule mboza yanga kinkulu keti kwe utadisa Adileke kondolo zai keti ne usina Ule mboza yanga lusantu kejine usukina maleke Landa zile jina za kukongo Landa kuduza kusisila bambuka Leke Landa zile jina za kukongo Landa kuduza kusisila bambuka Ala mita kutuka mumbata lumusiba kukule Bale mbongisa yanga lusantu siba file Badipeno bapumuza makanda sirutaje mambo Bada baleke bakongo siya kukijila Baleke Landa zile jila za kukongo Landa kuduza tusisila bambuka Landa zile jila za kukongo Landa kuduza tusisila bambuka Mapelu angatala baleke Kongo sidifwa tala baleke Langumwaze lutala baleke Ibere beta mona tala baleke Chongeta Leo kintawe Sisila berba kuite Utatia mwana Sisila bambuka Utanku kutala baleke Adinguta kopsisi tala baleke Masikala kikwelo tala baleke Adikongo sidifwa tala baleke Kayaya Umufando mai tala baleke Dominiki kwakala tala baleke Landa zile jina za kukongo Radio Temo longa baleke Aditata chakala simba baleke Radio Temo longa baleke Aditata chakala simba baleke Ayaya Landa zile jina za kukongo Landa kuduza tusisila bambuka Landa zile jina za kukongo Landa kuduza tusisila bambuka Université du Bakongo Somali Longa Zaï Université du Bakongo Muyenganga za Kongo Kokosina Université du Bakongo Somali Longa Zaï Université du Bakongo Muyenganga za Kongo Kokosina Baleke Landa zile jina za kukongo Landa zile jina za kukongo Landa Landa kuduza tusisila bambuka Landa Landa kuduza tusisila bambuka Landa zile jina za kukongo Yeye elibisi Yala salasa Yei sunja baleke Domene saya Ngeye professeur Mutalutabile, Ngeye Sungabale, Domenesaya. Langu panse de transferogi, Ngeye Sungabale, Domenesaya. Rupe emka, Ngeye Sungabale, Domenesaya.
Kwenda kwa memuna Congo, Mbuilo Mbongele Omundila Congo, Mbanguza Mendungili Omundila Congo, Nola Zambezi Zelemuna Congo, Nyoka Moyo Bone Kene Muna Congo, Mwana Numba Bantele Muna Congo, Mwana Numba Bokele Muna Congo, Waitate Muna Congo, Waitate Muna Congo.
Kiambote Tatampanzo.
Thank you for coming, you're a brave man. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Papa, Tata, David is not coming. We're expecting Nengwa Tadiwa. Okay, let me just say hello. Kiambote, Ngizambote, if you're watching, we're learning Kikongo. This is Kikongo language course online, of course. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much. To remember our last lesson, you recall emphatic and let me just bring it.
Yes.
Because we need to apply it. We need to, yes. Pronoun of insistence and emphatic, yes?
Yeah.
If you remember your army, You're done. You're okay. You're okay. Yes. Just add, I mean, prefix. You could say prefix KU, then KW. Then you have first person pronoun of emphatic. Emphatic, yes, insistence. If I have my ame, I need to add my prefix to be qua.
Kwame.
Well
Kwame.
done, yes. Okay. Uh, Let me try to bring the display to this lesson. We are going to use the today's lesson applying the emphatic yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because the emphatic is just an add-on, yes. Let me see. Yeah, we can apply it on this one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Tata Nengwa Teddy was not around yet. At least we hope she's coming. Okay. I'm asking you, Tata Ongeye Osi. Now you're going to apply. Are you with me, Tata?
Yes.
You're going to apply the pronoun of insistence emphatic. Your answer is very, of course. Ongeye Osinga die. Tata, please applying you.
Ve. Kwame Kisinga Diaku.
So no, not your fault. Let me just try to explain. It's freezing. You should insert here. See? Can you see?
Yeah, the
Ve. You're right. You did well. Just insert here the Kwame. Can you read again, please? You said your Tatana, you there? Oh yeah, it's gone. Okay, if you're watching, bear with us, Tatana. Are you there, Tatana? Can you hear me? Oh no. Oh, Tatana is. Okay, we need to wait for Tatana. Thank you, Tata Ngoya, Mama Nengwa Ngoya. No, we don't know. Nengwa Ngoya, Tata Ngoya Zitondele. Tata Leoya, it's not around. Oh, okay. Just give me 1 minute. Let's see. Let me see. Bear with me.
Matanuzi more kenne muna Congo, si povilanga pakundundu muna Congo, endunduzi pelekete muna Congo, endunduzi pelekete muna Congo, bila kese tuna muna Congo, bila makinu tuna kinna muna Congo, patata Luisa tuna kweto muna Congo, mama Luisa tuna kweto muna Congo, oluzolele kumambu meno muna Congo, mono ngele kwambe muna Congo, kizika ngele kwenda muna Congo, oh mono ngele kwambe muna Congo, mono ngele kwambe muna Congo.
Tale.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, what's it? Can you hear me?
The music is still playing.
Oh, sorry. Apologies. Sorry. Yeah, you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm sorry. You're freezing. Okay, I was saying, I'll read the first line, then you answer. You read the second line, yeah, you answer. But you remember your pronoun of insistence and emphatic. You insert here. Are you with me, totally? Yes.
So it's
Before
at the
call.
end. So
Before call. Before oh, not at the end. Before call.
okay. So it's diaquamical.
Correct. Well done. Can you try to read it, please?
So ve kisinga diaquamical.
Correct. Yeah. Well done. Yes. Yes. Are you okay, totally?
Yeah.
Basically, just
So
remember. I mean,
what would that translate into? Because I know the emphatic is like you're saying like so you I'm really not going to eat. Is that what it's saying?
correct. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Well, yeah. Yeah. That's it. Yes. Let me try to. Let me just try to put it back to display it back there. Where is it? Okay, let me just try to remove this. Usually it's hard. Let's see. Bear with me. And my. Okay. My computer. Yeah, let me try to remove this one. Yes, I'm going to display. Uh, where is it? It's always hard. Where is it? Okay, there. Sorry, give me 1 minute. Yeah, remember translations are always hard, because this is Bantu language. But it, let me see. Yes, I have it here. We did try to translate it last time. There is a translation. Rough. Let me give you an idea. Okay. Here you are, Tata. Can you see?
Yeah.
Even, proper, truly. Yes, finally. I mean, it depends. Depends on the sentence, the context. Okay. Question, Tata.
No.
You're fine, thank you. Let me just put back the let's see, just very easy. Just try to. When I say very easy, not always, because the location is the question. Where do you insert it? Remember, that's the main question. Mukwenda ngina. Translation totally Mukwenda ngina.
Nkwenda
Ngina. Mukwenda ngina.
go
It's present continuous. Present continuous. Yeah, your verb is going to go. So I've already given you the answer.
oh
Mukwenda ngina. It is present continuous. Yeah.
I'm going. Oh, you're
Yes.
saying okay.
Yeah. So try to insert your emphatic pronoun or emphatic.
So okay, so like I'm really going. So it's
Correct.
uh Kwenda Kwamingina.
Bravo. Mukwenda kwa mengina.
Mukwenda. Yes, mu.
Remember, mu is your ing. Remember, there was a person that corrected
Yeah.
that part
Yes,
last time.
yes.
Yeah. I was not sure. Mu is your ing. Yeah. Mm, give me just 1 minute. I need to some issue here. I'm sorry. I'm coming to that. I'm not moving. I'm here. Wait a
Sure.
minute. I'm here. I'm just hiding a bit. There's a urgent call. I need to stop someone urgently. Oh, apologies. Sorry. Yes. Okay, I'm here. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, okay. I don't think she's coming. Okay. We stop in 5 minutes. I just wanted you to go back. To digest the last lesson. That time, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because from now on, we're going to use a pronoun of emphatic.
Okay.
You know what you're doing. Just remember. Not always obvious. We should know just to know where to insert it. You know.
Okay.
Very key. Okay. Try. If I say onge osinga kosoke, tell your answer.
Ve kisinga kosoka kwameko.
Bravo. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's say we third person. I'm asking for third person. Oyandi osinga kosoke. Remember the negative, double negative. In this case, you use instead of ki, use ke. Ke singa
Yeah,
ko.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So
Let me ask again.
kisinga.
Sorry. Oyandi osinga kosoke.
Okay.
Then your answer.
Ve kisinga
Kosoka, yes.
kos.
Kosoka. You're right. Keep going. Just first your verb. What did you tell him? We lost it then. We are in trouble. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Something's not what. Oh.
I don't know if you heard what I said.
No. You're dropping. Okay, go again, Tatane. Oh, yeah, and the
Sure. It's
Osinga Kosoke.
yeah. Ve kisinga kosoka kwandiko.
Bravo. Yeah, you done it. Yeah. We were stopping there, Tatane. You got it. Very good. You got it. From now on, for the time being, at least we should insist on using the pronoun of. See, remember now you understand why I kept saying. Remember, I'm Alxi, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm Alkwandi. Remember,
Yeah.
I kept saying I'm Alko as a kid because we will be using it everywhere, everywhere. Yes. So let me just say hello to Yambote, Tate Edwards, Marvin Pimeno, Alongi. Yeah. Can you read that and try to translate, please?
Mavimpi meno alongi ya longoki akikongo. Hello.
Yes.
Mavimpi. I guess. Mavimpi meno.
Remember the prefix, the suffix. Remember the suffix, there.
Yeah. So eno is okay. I know that's
Yeah.
we.
Yeah.
Okay, we are.
No, the second plural, yes.
Yeah. So I guess my VP basically hello to you guys. Like
correct. Yes. Yeah. Yes.
We are learning Kikongo.
Longi is a teacher.
Huh?
Longi is a teacher. Longoki is a learner.
Oh, Longi. Okay.
This is saying hello to you, teacher and student.
Teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
And student, yeah.
And student.
And learner.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, Tatale. We're stopping there. Because, let's hope next time many people are coming. But
Okay.
I don't want to. Okay, Tata. I don't want to go too far. Otherwise, I will be going. Next time, I have to repeat. I have to go back again from the beginning. At least you have. You understand the basics. You know the most important thing. The key thing is where to put your kwame, your pronoun of insistence, the location. Yes.
Yes.
You know your suffixes. I mean, you know that's easy, but where you do them. Let me just another last question.
Okay. Kiambote. Kiano. Okay.
Jumbo, just say that. You see, you're right. See the suffixes keep coming always. That see.
Yeah.
Kiambote kieno.
Mm-hmm.
Kiambote to you.
To you many. Yes.
Yeah, to you many. Yes. Oh, literally, you could can translate your hello. Yeah. Literally. Yeah.
Okay.
What was the question? Okay. Mukwenda ngina. Translation tata. Mukwenda ngina.
I am going.
Yes.
I am going.
Okay, if you want to insert insistence, emphatic, where do you insert?
Mukwenda kwamengina.
Correct, yes, well done. Okay, bravo. Okay, we will stopping there.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Tata Alain, for your time.
Thank
I know
you.
it's Sunday, but Congo people say kiaku kiangani kiangani.
Yes.
I think you know the translation, remember?
Yes.
Kiaku kiangani kiangani. I mean, kiaku kiangani. There are 4 words, but it means a lot, you know. Kiaku. I mean, translation always hard. Whatever is yours is yours. Let's translate like this.
Yeah.
It basically mean you have to protect whatever is yours. See,
Yeah.
you are the only one who can defend it. We are Congo people. This language is dying. We are the only people that can make sacrifice to protect the language.
Yeah.
This Sunday. I won't say the name of the person. You know what I'm referring to, huh?
Yeah.
That tough guy, I remember. Keep watching you. Come on, Alan. Anyway.
Yeah, no, I mean the objective is just to speak, you know. I think
Yeah, you're right, yeah. Correctly, see that Professor Hazel Carter, she's right, yeah?
Yeah.
Isn't she? She's right, yeah, Tata. What do you think?
No, she is. I mean,
yeah, because this is talking. This is talking.
Yeah, in progress wise, I think, I mean, from where I started to where I am today, I mean,
you are somewhere, you moved, you can go to Mbanza, Congo Center, this you can say, Mukwenda kwa mingine. Oh, come on, this is the American guy. Say, oh, okay, he's speaking Congo, yeah. Mukwenda kwa mingine, I mean it. I'm really going.
Yeah.
Tata, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Next time. Thank
All
you.
right, bye.
Thank you. Tito.
Quieto, yanga ni